Beef, it's what's for dinner. Hi, I'm Kelly. Welcome back to another Local Lens Seattle video. And beef, it's what's for dinner. You heard it a million times. And today I get to learn about the Beef Counts program that's putting protein on people's plates that really need it. This is a really big warehouse and I'm excited. I get to meet a rancher. Do you ride horses?
Actually, we have 4-wheel horses.
What? I get to help somehow, so let's find them.
My name's Sean Rose. My family has a ranch. We raise beef down in South Bend, Washington. I'm a 4th generation rancher down there. We have been raising beef there for almost 100 years. Beef Counts program has just been a really good way for the beef community and ranchers like myself to give back. We're in the business of feeding and helping people, and that's just the passion of ranchers.
Da-na-na-na. So I'm going head to head versus Sean. Clearly there's a height difference. So, and I'm in heels too, so this doesn't.
I got my heels on.
Doesn't matter how short you are. I'm clearly more of an athlete, so. What? You're like running. Happy holidays. We move fast. Can't really speak, but it's fine. You don't seem like you're breathing heavy, so
I am.
That's fine.
It's a lot of beef. It's a lot of beef.
But it's not all fun and games, of course. I'm here to learn about the Beef Counts program.
The Beef Counts program this year has raised over 250,000 servings of beef. Now, if you think about how many people just in King County alone experienced hunger, it was about 250,000 people. So we have now provided to each of those people a serving of beef for dinner. It's an extraordinary thing when one community of farmers and ranchers and grocers in our community can come together around this one promotion and make such a substantial impact on the fight of hunger.
The beef community across the state has raised nearly $938,000. All this money goes directly towards purchasing beef for people in need, which is perfect, of course, around the holiday season. Back in 2010, when leaders of Washington's beef community learned just how little high-quality protein like beef reaches our food bank system, they felt it was unacceptable, and they had to help. Okay, we've decided that it kind of feels like Costco in here in the frozen section, right?
Definitely, yes. Yep.
Everyone meet Jonna. This is her debut. Yes. She's the new marketing intern with King 5, and this is her first Local Lens video. Are you excited?
Yes.
Is it recording?
I asked if I could ride on it, but I'm not allowed to. Can I hit the horn at least?
Right here. Let me hop off. Go ahead and tap that horn button.
The gold button. Wait,
The horn
actually.
button right here. That one.
This
there
one.
you go.
Here we go. Ew. How many times a day do you do that?
About 1,000.
Okay. Put your little carrot top. Cheese.
And we're leaving.
Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, of course, subscribe. And shout out to the Beef Counts program and Sean and Linda and everyone else that I met. All of the information will be in the description. So I'll see you next time. Bye.